Artispirit Shanghai Industrial Limited Corporation is established in 2010. Locates in Shanghai Pudong District, which is very near to Pudong Airport, Shanghai Seaport and Ningbo Port. Artispirit is a professional manufacturer for standard and customized plastic packaging, glass containers, and most importantly sustainable cosmetic packaging solution for skincare industry, beauty brands, wholesalers, retailers, supermarkets, online shop owners. Artispirit provides OEM and ODM products for customers to build their brands with professional service, high-quality products, and reasonable price. We have a great number of loyal customers, comes mostly from USA, Canada, Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. With our mature export experience, high-quality products, best service on-time delivery, we are certain that your requirements could be fulfilled and exceed your expectation. Welcome to visit us in Shanghai.